Okay, now we're going to start with one spoken English activity. The purpose of this activity is to giving you some opportunity to speak English on phone. You're not going to make any call, but we are going to pretend that I am actually talking to you. And you will not look at me, you will look there like this, and I will look here, you look there, and we'll pretend as if we are talking. Whatever I ask you, whatever you ask me, and we will have this conversation. Right? There is no topic, it's just a general conversation. Okay? So let's take a start. Hello.
Hello,
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Quite good, thank you. What's your good name, please?
My name is Ali.
Ali. Ali, I am your spoken English teacher from Royal Palm. Do you know?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so Ali, I just called you to ask you few questions. Do you have some spare time?
Yeah, I have some spare time.
Okay, thank you very much. So Ali, why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English for my business purposes, and I have to go out of country.
Okay, so
That's
Ali,
why-
Ali, will you please tell me what sort of business do you do?
Yeah, I do garments business.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it's my father's business, and I help with him.
All right. So Ali, why do you need English in that business? I mean, how will you use English?
Because we have customers from other countries. That's why I want to talk with them in English language.
All right, that's good. So Ali, what do you do in your free time, by the way?
My free time, I spend my free time with my friends and my family.
Okay, thank you very much, Ali. I'll see you in the class tomorrow, huh? Take care.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello,
May I know your name, please?
I'm Raza.
All right, Raza, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, Raza, I'm going to save your number. Actually, you sent me a message, so I just wanted to confirm. Raza, what are you doing these days?
I'm doing my business.
Okay. What sort of business?
It is an engineering design firm.
Okay. So, what do you design?
I design structures and building inside mechanical systems.
Okay, that's good. So, Raza, by the way, what do you like about your job?
I can say I love my job.
Mm-hmm. But what is it that you like about your job very much?
Generating new ideas,
Mhm.
facing the challenges,
Okay.
and creating some new or innovative
Okay.
work.
So, Raza, do you think your job is challenging?
Uh, Initially, I think in same way, but now I can say I start enjoying my work.
Okay. All right. So, what's the best part of your job?
The best part of my job is learning new ideas,
Mhm.
exchanging the thought with other experts from foreign countries.
Okay. All
And-
right. So, what do you do to relax in the evening?
I do walk and ride cycle and spend time with my kids.
All right. You ride a bicycle.
Yes, I ride.
Wow, that's good. So, do you have a bicycle? Which one is that? Can you tell me about it?
Yes, I have a bicycle. It's a mountain bike,
Hmm.
and it's aluminium bike.
Okay.
Lightweight bike used for expeditions and other tasks.
All right.
It's
all
a
right.
Japanese bike.
Mm-hmm. How much was that?
I did not remember. You can say it's a gift from a friend.
Okay, okay. So, like you usually ride it at night?
Yes.
Do
I
you have
ride-
any lights with your bike?
No, I don't have, because I live in a society and there are enough street lights.
Okay, that's fantastic. Thank you. So, Raza, I'll see you tomorrow. And thank you very much. Now, I'll save your number, okay?
Thank you. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Yes.
Okay, now we are going to go on here. So you have to look at that side, I'll look at that side, right? Yeah, I'll put it here. Okay, let me start. Hello,
Yeah, hello.
may I know your name, please?
My name is Asir Zia.
Will you come again, please?
Asir Zia.
How do you spell your name?
ASIR.
All right, Asir. It's an unusual name.
Yes.
What is the meaning of your name?
My name meaning is squeeze.
Oh,
Something squeeze or juice.
okay, something like
Like
that.
that.
All right, that's a nice name. By the way, Asir, what do you do in your free time?
I spend my time with my family and sometime see the movies,
Okay,
some motivational movies.
all right.
Yes, motivational
Very
movies I
good.
like. Yes.
Okay, so when you tell your name to people, don't people get confused? They say Asif or Asir.
Yeah.
They usually get confused?
Yes, often people's confused.
People get confused.
Because, he told me, your name is Asif.
Okay.
I correct him.
All right.
My
all
name
right.
is Asir, not Asif.
Okay, that's very good. So, how do you spend like time with your family? What activities do you do?
Discussion about children's or some
Children's? No, children.
some jokes
Mm-hmm.
and
You tell the jokes?
and sometime take coffee.
Okay.
And I like sweets.
All right. So, by the way, what is your favorite drink?
My favorite juices.
You like juices?
Juices, yes.
Okay. Why do you like juices?
Because juice good for health and for stomach also.
Okay.
And the doctor
So,
also advised me
all
take
right.
juices.
Okay, that's good. So, thank you very much, Asir. I'll call you again and then we'll have a great chit chat, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Take
Thank-
care. Bye bye.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Good one. All right. Now we'll have another talk with you. Please. Good. Hello.
Hello,
May I know your name, please?
my name is Kiran Asir.
All right, Kiran Asir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
All
How
right.
are you?
I'm your spoken English teacher.
Yes, welcome.
Okay, thank you very much. So I just want to ask you some questions. I'm making this phone call to give you some practice of English language. Are you ready for that?
Yes,
Okay, let's take a start. Do you like cooking?
yes, I like.
So what do you like about cooking?
I like
Yeah? Come on, you say I like cooking, continental food or anything like that. What do you like about cooking?
I like cooking Arabic cooking. Arabic
Okay, Arabic dishes. Wow.
Yeah,
What's your favorite Arabic food?
makruna bashamati
Okay, and why do you like it?
because I like it.
Yeah, reason. Why do you like it?
Because it's delicious.
Okay, good. So, is your family happy with your cooking?
Yes,
Are you sure?
yes.
Sometimes family members are not happy. So, other than cooking, what do you do? What do you do in your free time?
Cook time.
Free time. When you
Free
have
time.
free time, then what do you do in your free time?
Free time. I use my phone.
Okay.
I use my mobile.
All right. So, what do you do on mobile, by the way?
I watch Facebook, Instagram,
Okay. That's good.
movie.
Right. So, do you listen to music as well?
No,
Why not?
because I don't like.
All right. You don't like music.
No, but hardly. Yani,
Okay, you hardly listen to
Very-
any type
yeah,
of
yeah.
music. Okay. Thank you very much, Kiran Asir. All the best, and I'll call you some other time to give you some practice for your spoken English, okay?
okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.